Morning everyone, Rich here from Intersport. I'm just here today to talk to you through session 1, which is throwing, catching and aiming. So I'm going to start off with a little warm up. All you need is a ball or a pair of rolled up socks. So we'll use whatever you have. You're going to place the item down in front of you. You're going to get a sibling or parent to call out some different actions. So you might be jogging on the spot, sidestepping, jumping, star jumps. As soon as a parent or sibling shouts out, go, you need to pick up the ball as quick as you can. So we're testing those reactions, seeing how quick you are. Have 5 goes each and then swap over. Okay, so moving on to activity number 1. Again, all you need is a ball or a pair of rolled up socks. First challenge, how many throws and catches can you do without dropping the ball? So don't throw it up too high, okay? Make sure you keep your eye on the ball and get your hands ready. Challenge number 2, how many throws with a clap can you do? So throw up, clap, catch, clap, catch, clap, catch, clap, catch. Okay, challenge number 3, can you throw the ball up, touch your head, catch? How many can you do? Okay, and finally, challenge number 4, you're going to need a partner for this. If you haven't got a partner, then you can either bounce the ball on the floor or throw it against the wall and catch. So it's going to be some throwing and catching in pairs. Okay, so have a go at those challenges, see how you get on, see how many you can do without dropping the ball. So moving on to activity number 2, you're going to need a dice and a ball or a pair of rolled up socks. If you don't have a dice, okay, you can write some numbers down on a piece of paper, okay, and use those instead of the dice. So what you're going to do, you're going to get a sibling or parent to roll the dice. Whichever number it lands on or whichever piece of paper you take, so that's a 4, I then have to do 1, 2, 3, 4 claps and catches without dropping the ball to get a point. So I'll have another go, throw the dice. Number this time is a 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So you can either do it individually, or if you've got a sibling, parent that wants to join in, then you can do it against each other. Okay, so whichever number is revealed on the dice or the piece of paper, that's the number of claps and catches you have to do. So that was activity 2. Activity number 3 is a target practice. So again, using your ball or your socks, you're now going to need 5 items, okay, that you're going to be throwing the ball or socks at. So for this, I'm going to be using 5 pointy cones. If you don't have pointy cones, you can use anything. You can use teddies, soft toys, cushions, anything, up to you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pointy cones and a starting point. So I'm going to spread out my 5 items, scatter them around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so standing behind my starting cone, I'm going to throw my ball and try and hit the items. Oh yes. So I'm going to pick that one up, take it back to the starting point, okay, and you're going to keep going until all the items are gone. Again, you can swap over with parents and siblings and get them to have a go as well. Okay, so that is the 3rd activity, and finally, to finish the session, all you're going to do is have a nice little walk and a stretch, and that is the end of session 1, throwing, catching and aiming. Okay, check out our Facebook, YouTube and Instagram as well. There's lots of content being uploaded daily, and I look forward to seeing you all again next week.